Welcome to Kubik's Data Recovery. Today we're going to be looking at OCZ Vertex 4 solid state drive based on IndyLink's controller. It's a 256 gigabyte SSD drive and it's not visible in a computer anymore. So we're going to look inside if there was any issues with PCB board. There's 4 screws out here in the corners that hold it together, so we're gonna get them off. It's quite an old drive. I'd say it's probably at least 10 years old. I'm actually surprised that it lived that long. Uses an older type of NAND chips. Alright, we get the screws off. Let's get it separated. Let me get my spudger. Alright. Okay. This is how it looks inside. This is the main controller, cache chip, and storage chips. Let's look what's on the other side. I think I know what the problem is already. See over here? I don't know if you can see it or not. Right over here. Let's try to zoom in. Doesn't look right to me. Let's get this last screw out and see what's the other side shows us. Okay. Cache chip, storage chips. Alright, let's fire up the microscope and see what that little burnt area is going to show us. I'm going to put it on a little pause here. Okay. So Let's take a look at that little piece. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Let's get it zoomed in a little more. There we go. That's a nice little burn over here. Right there. Well, in order to figure this one out, we're gonna have to clean it up and take this burn element off the board and check the other ones for short circuitry. Other than that, no, well, this one looks like burn too over here. And get a different tweezers. Right, you see this mark and this mark? Those are burn marks. Let's zoom in and check it out under a better magnification. It's a Realtek chip, but two spots over here and here, and both of them are DC. You can tell by the thickness of the traces over here, and you see they go to the other layers. Same on the other side, you see how thick they are with the bridges to the other layers and inductor over here. So this is for sure a power regulator. Alright, let's look at the other stuff. See if there's any other issues. Alright, so that's the corner. Let's get a little closer as well. Alright. This one looks suspicious over here too. I'm not sure if it's a burn mark or... yeah, it looks like it's a blasted off either inductor or capacitor. It's inductor actually. You see there's L here, L7. That's a blown inductor. Alright, that's a protection diode over here. That could be blown too, but there's no visible marks on it. LED. Huh. I wonder if this round part is what I think it is, or is it a manufacturing template? Let's see if the other ones have it or not. This one has it on one side for some reason, like I'm not seeing it on this side. Let's see other chips. Yeah, it looks like it's manufacturing template. Okay, well that's good, because otherwise, if it's not, this would indicate that the chip is cracked. I've seen that before, you know, there was a screw over here and then they start tightening the screw up, either a screwdriver skids off and then just damages the chip, or the chip itself gets cracked because of a pressure applied to it. Very common, but this seemed to be the manufacturing. Like all of those chips have this little roundish area on this side, and not all of them have it on the other side, but it's certainly not damaged. This is manufacturing template imprint. So I mean, visually the rest of the stuff looks okay. So these are the debug connectors over here. This is pretty cool that they actually have signaling written what each contact does. Okay. Yeah, the OCZ is no longer in business. I'm not sure if they went bankrupt or if they got bought out by somebody else, but no mas. They don't have their products any longer. So it looks like one chip is 128 megabits or whatever the capacity is here. You see 128. Okay, well, we're gonna look up the part that's burned. We'll take it off, clean the pads and see what's in there, but this looks like it's pretty severe. I'd say PCB even got burned down because of the power that went through it. Like you see the metal is all melted. It's certainly a multi-layer problem. So it could be a serious problem because of that. We'll figure it out. I'll have to clean it up and see what exactly going on there. So this is it for now. I'll update you later on. If you have any questions or comments, post it. Let me know what you think of it, and I'll reply to you. Thank you for watching.